Hi everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. In today's video, I went to Kuala Lumpur for some personal reasons, and at the time, I went to meet some of my friends there. So today's video is going to be a travel video. Let's join with me. I reached KL around 6:45 and there was two jam, and the first place we went to a restaurant, and after our dinner we went to a Saloma Bridge. We went to Saloma Bridge after we have our dinner, and this is my first time I'm going to Saloma Bridge. I have seen this bridge when I crossed the road, but I haven't entered inside the bridge. This is the first time entering in. Since that's on weekend, there are a lot of people at there. If you are coming with your friends or family, you can enjoy it here because you can take a lot of pictures from here, and there is no entrance fee, so you can come at here and enjoy with your family and friends. You can see the bridge, the color is keep on changing from blue to purple and so on. For me personally, I like this place very much. If you have visited this place, do comment in the comment section below about your experience at here. Since I went with my friends, I enjoyed it a lot. We took a lot of photos and videos from here. As I mentioned earlier, the lights are keep on changing from red to yellow to orange and more. We went to this place at 9 p.m. It is just a short catch up with my friends, so that's why I could not film much from this place. So yes, that's all for today. It's a very short video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, do like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Rose Favorites for more videos like this. I will shoot more when I visit the next time to this place. That's all for today. Thank you and bye.